Pastries. What did you make?
It's in that blue thing.
What?
It's in the blue
Blue what?
on the table.
What you make? What is it? Baklava?
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
Yes, sir.
Coffee and baklava. Perfect.
What do we have today?
Hi, we have a FUE with celebrity method. It's called celebrity FUE that we remove hair. Let's look at the patient's file. This is what we did before. We did another procedure in the past with FUE that we did the front and mid. So we basically did the front and the mid front. And we're going to look at the picture and see what improvement we made, what you want to make it a little better. So this is the front that was missing and the corners. And if you look at the bottom ones, this is after procedure, nice and solid, but you still have some areas that you want to be filled. So like this area that you can see through here, and on the other side a little bit on the front and a little bit behind it. The FUE is the method of FUE hair transplant that we don't shave the back of the head. We just cut every individual follicular units and we're making sites here. We're going to do just certain areas. We have 500 grafts to work with. We have special areas. We have 3 locations here, 1 triangle here, 1 rectangle here, another rectangle here. These are our priorities. With FUE we have more limited number of grafts, and we have to just address more definite needs of the patient. Where is the recovery? This is zone number 1, zone number 2, zone number 3. If we have enough graft, zone number 4. So we're extracting grafts here. We have to trim hairs one at a time, 1 follicular unit at a time. Know which hair to remove, to choose for this process. So I have to go and cut them and then extract them. Delicate and regular FUE procedure, and we have to be meticulous about the kind of hair that we want to choose based on the need. Using them, so I know exactly the area that I'm transplanting, what kind of hair is needed. That's why I go individually after them and remove them. Our day is over. We had a celebrity FUE today that was successfully done. 500 grafts that was placed in the front and corners. Celebrity FUE is the method that we don't have to cut hair or shave hair. So we remove hair one at a time, 1 follicular unit at a time, and transplant them. To be a celebrity to get this procedure, obviously it's a little bit more expensive than average because it is more labor intense. For people who don't want to show any sign of hair transplant, any shaving, any cutting on the back and front of the hair. People with the scarring and multiple scarring on the back that they cannot shave their head can use this method. It's a little more expensive and more limited in terms of number of grafts that we can transplant in one session. So the number is usually between 500 to 1,000 grafts per day. Patient looks right after procedure. No shaving, no sign of anything on hairline. A little bit bruising here. If you look very closely because hair is wet, you can see it. It's not bad when the hair gets dry. And these are the side views. And the back. The beauty of it is that you see on the donor area there's no shaving, no sign of procedure. And they can walk out with no visibility of anything, even if TMZ is waiting for them.